guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a good day, and if not, I hope I can make it a little better. So last week we made this adorable pamphlet book using the Made by Our Hands bookbinding kit. How about this week we have a go at doing Japanese stamp binding and making an adventurous journal. So, for the Japanese stamp binding, the items included in the kit that you will need are the paper, the cover paper, the awl, the ruler, the bookbinding needle, and the bookbinding thread. Items you will need that aren't included in the kit is scrap paper, scissors, here are mine, a pencil, and a cutting board, which is optional, but I want to protect my desk, so I'm definitely going to use it. And step 1 says to take 5 sheets of paper and to choose a cover. Let's get another 5 sheets of paper from the bundle. I think this time I'm going to go with the green paper. Do I want the floral or do I want the marble? It's Japanese. What's more Japanese? I'll go with the marble. Next, I need to cut down all of these pieces of paper from A5, which is their original size, into A6. That's going to take a little while, so how about I click my fingers and it'll all be done. Okay, so here are my A6 pieces of paper. Next, I also need to cut some scrap paper down to A6, which will be the stabbing template. Here's some pre-prepared scrap paper. Okay, so I'm working on the template now. Move these out of the way. So draw a line lengthwise on the template, about 1.5 centimeters away from the edge, and they mean the long edge, so you can see in the pictures. That'll do. Then draw 2 sewing stations on the line 2 centimeters away from each side, so I think they mean these sides. So around there and around there. Next, it says to draw 2 more sewing stations, making sure they're equidistant from each other and the first 2 stations. And the book has said if you are using A6 paper like we're using, that the first station, this one will be 2 centimeters, the second one will be around 5.6. Okay, the third one around 9.3, that one, and the last one about 12.9. That's that one. Okay, that's good. That's all good. And now it says to punch holes carefully through each of the sewing stations using the awl. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and careful. Whoop. 4. Okay, here we are. So these are the holes punched. Carefully line up the template with a sheet of your notebook to be. Okay, here it is. And punch through the 4 holes. And then do that with every bit of paper. Oh, that's a lot of punching. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Whoops. I think you might want a paper clip for this one to hold it in place each time. Because already I feel like this has travelled. So there we have the holes. Now I have to do it with all the others. So I think I'm going to do a magic finger click and have it all done again. Here we go. Whew. Okay, that's all the pieces with holes punched into them. Next, we need to thread the needle and tie a knot at the end. And this time is suggested 75 centimeters of waxed thread, which is 5 lengths of the ruler. Roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's thread this needle. I feel less anxious about threading it this time, knowing that the thread is plaited. Oh, it went in first time. Okay, and this time it's said to tie a knot at the end. It doesn't say how far to tie it up the thread, so just hope I do it in the right place. I'm gonna do it again, so it definitely doesn't go through the holes. What do you think? Should we do one more just for good luck? It doesn't say what kind of knot to tie, so that looks big enough, doesn't it? That doesn't look like that's going anywhere. Now it says to make sure all the pages are lined up perfectly. So they're a bit beaten up because I got a bit rough with the hole punching. Gosh, I hope I did this correctly. Already I'm concerned. Well, anyway, they're lined up, and I want to hold the notebook up with the spine facing me like this. Okay, it says begin at the bottom of the notebook, so I think they mean the underside. It says pull your needle through the 3rd station from the left. The 3rd station from the... So this one. This station. And you've got it to the top of the book. Already I can see that my holes are not lined up. So... Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. I'm going to do these page by page to begin with. Okay, alright, so this is like that. So I pull it all the way through. Like that. Oh dear. Then pull your needle through the bottom to the top of the 3rd station once more to make a loop around the spine. So, okay, so we're going to go through this hole again, like we did the first time. Like this. I think this bit's going to go on top. Like this. There we go. So we've got a loop around it now, but I've got this bit sticking out. And if I can pull it through a bit and neaten it up. There we go. There we go. Okay, alright, so that's that. Pull the needle through the top to the bottom of station 2. So that's this one here. So this time we're going from the top. Because my holes don't line up, I have to do it all separately. Oh dear. Like this. right through. So it looks like this on the top. Okay. It says making a loop around the spine. Pull your needle through the top to the bottom of station 2 once more. Okay, so this way again. Like this. So it looks like this. Okay. Ooh. The edges aren't looking so good. Okay, pull your needle through the bottom to the top of station 1 using the same technique. Make another loop. So the bottom to the top. Station 1. Like this. And then we're going to go around and do it again. Okie dokie. So this is what we've got now. Next it says, when reaching the edge of the notebook, it is important to secure the spine with another loop. Pull the needle from the bottom to the top of station 1 one last time, positioning the loop so that it is perpendicular to the others. Right, so we're going to go around like this. Oh boy. When you do this, definitely make sure that your holes line up better than I did. Okay. So we've gone from bottom to top. We're going to pull through, and this loop is going to line up here. Here we go, like this. So you see, like this. Pull. Now we're going to go from top to bottom of station 2. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Make sure your holes are lined up when you do this. A minute. I'm just having fun in the middle. Ignore me. Okay, 1 minute. There we go. Then we're going to go from bottom, this one, to top of station 3. Oh, well that was easier. Boop. And next we're going to go from top to bottom of station 4. Like this. Because my holes aren't lined up, I have to go in the middle. Oh. Stabby, stabby, stabby. Okay, so this is the top to the bottom of station 4, and then we're going to go around again to form the loop. I think this is the bookbinding police coming for me. We got an incident of bad bookbinding. Okay. Okay, so we've got the loop there. This is how it's looking. Okay, next we're gonna secure this edge like we did before. So we're gonna go from the top to the bottom of station 4. And this time make sure it's on the edge like this. Pull it through. So this is how we're looking. Nice, nice, nice. Bit loose here, but oops. Next, we want to pull the needle through the bottom to the top of station 3 again. Oh, here we go. Okie dokie. And then we want to pull the needle under the thread surrounding station 3 to make a knot. It says the thread surrounding station 3 to make a knot. Pull the needle under the thread surrounding station 3 to make a knot. So I just go around like this, I think. And pull it through like this. What do we think? Do we think that's good? Let's do it again to make certain. Okay, and then I think we trim the ends like before as close as possible. One there. And one there. And in theory, we have a Japanese stab-bound book this time. So let's see how it looks. This is how it looks on the outside. Let's see how it works on the inside. So this one, where we've sewn it, it doesn't open up all the way. So it's a little bit longer. Be quite nice for a diary or in a dress book maybe. But it works. It's a book. It's a book. I'm a bit loose here. I don't know what I did there. I guess I didn't pull it enough. But I did it. One Japanese stab-bound book. Woo! So we only have one left to go. And that's the Adventurer's Journal. Well, it appears we've made it to the 20-minute mark in the video already. So how about we save the Adventurer's Journal till next time? Thank you for making it to the end of the video with me. I'd love to know what your favourite part was if you could leave a comment in the comment section below. Have you tried Japanese stab binding? If you could like, subscribe, turn on all notifications and share this video, that would be amazing. You can follow me at Enchanted Violin on Instagram, TikTok and Threads. Links will be in the description box below, as well as links to my online comic companions, my Patreon and more. And I'll see you next time. Bye!